Hello, lovely Lush fan. Welcome to the channel. I've just been sent a box, which I've removed my address, but it did say from Lush. So I thought we would open up this PR box together and review it. If you're new to this channel, I review a lot of beauty products, and being a beauty therapist myself, I'm really into skincare and the way of looking after yourself. So if you're interested in skincare, fragrance, makeup, hair, lifestyle, make sure to subscribe. And it's been a while since I've done some videos because I've been spending a lot of time away from home this year. So any engagement on this video means the world. So hype if you are on the YouTube app, like, a comment, and I'm asking all of that before you've even seen me review something. So modest. Right, so this looks like body spray, if I'm correct, and there's been a few that have been released since my last one, which was the Galinda Upland. What? Oh, yes. This will be the review of the Strawberry Feels Forever body spray, and this was a specific launch, which I think they did Super Milk, then they did some kind of aquatic fragrances, so I think 4 or 5 in total. All of those ones will be down below if you want to check them out in the description. Let's give this a smell and see what this is actually like, because out of all of them, this would have been the one that I would have bought. So I want to say thank you to Lush. What I want to add as a disclaimer to this video is that I am not endorsed or sponsored by Lush or anyone else for this video. So these will be my honest, unadulterated review and opinions. Shop through my link, which costs you nothing. Shopping through the link helps to support this channel and keep sponsorships at bay. So, Strawberry Feels Forever. Ingredients wise, it has the alcohol denatured at first, which is normal. That's the kind of carrier which will then dry off. It's not the best on earth if you're going to be spraying really on your neck or sensitive areas, but all fragrance will really use that as a base. Next, water, fragrance, and glycerin. There's quite a few extracts actually within this. So it has sandalwood extract, it has olibanum oil, which again gives that really resinous scent. So that's going to be interesting. It could be quite gourmand. Vanilla Absolute. Yeah, this looks really nice. Again, it has the ingredient coumarin, which is usually in every single gourmand fragrance that you'll ever see on the market, but it has it nice and far down the ingredients list, which is great. And if you want to clue yourself up on that ingredient, give it a Google, because it's definitely interesting to learn more about, especially to how to use fragrance more safely and healthily for you. Right, I'm just going to spray it on myself. I do love the Lush body sprays, and what I like about these is they add such a versatility that because you get so much in it, I actually prefer to wear these on textiles, like my clothes. Wouldn't really use it as like a room spray, just because I have a cat at home, and really if you have any pets, you shouldn't be using anything that has perfume in, because that will have loads of ingredients within it that any company in the world doesn't legally need to write or state. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link of the essential oils that I use for a cat safe home that smells nice and brings me a lot of joy. Interesting. I'm a bit stumbled because this isn't what I thought it would be. I was kind of in my head thinking American cream, very sweet and candy. When you'd read it on the packaging, I'm saying this with braces in, sing a sugar spun tale of strawberries and cream as swirls of scrumptious vanilla sweep you up in a summer's daydream. Like, I wouldn't think deep with that, but it actually has a really slight patchouli kind of, I use a lot of adjectives, so ride with me on this, kind of ethereal, and it's not too kind of snow fairy up in the clouds, which I like to go to. I love that fragrance. This is a really more, I don't want to use the word mature either, because anybody would use this, and everyone should if this is what you like the smell of, but it gives a slightly more mature take on like a sweet strawberry. I'm filming this video after coming back on a flight, and I've only been at home for 10 minutes, so you'll have to work with me. I haven't even put my bags down properly. I get a real note of jasmine, which I didn't think I would. It has geranium oil, which again gives that real slightly heady white floral. It gives a really heady white floral note, which is quite enveloping. So if you want something very, very subtle, I would actually say this isn't for you. When I say smoky, it's just got that kind of resinous wood, slight smokiness, but it has a real sweet note. Vanilla comes through, but it's dominated with geranium. So this is definitely a strawberry floral with a mixture of woods, and it's got a slight gourmand element to it, but it's a more woody, aromatic gourmand. So if you are looking for something that ticks off a sweet note, but also mixes it with that kind of contrast of deep, mysterious, woody, this one is good to go for. You'll have to let me know what you think of this if you've tried it, or if you've tried any other Lush body spray, whether or not you think I would like it. Maybe my viewers would. So please do leave a comment down below. I'd really, really appreciate it. And before you go, because I'm going to release this ASAP, until the 1st of October, there's a specific offer that if you shop through my Friends of Lush link, which will be on the screen, it's been on the screen the whole video, but also down in the comments in the description, which I had to buy to actually see how good this was. This is the Pumpkin Spice Latte Shower Gel, and it smells absolutely unreal. It is so much more kind of clove filled and much more aromatic and spicy, but still sweet. So even though it's kind of the Halloween range, I am actually going to keep it for December time, because it's that really kind of cozy, nice come home and have a nice shower or even bubble bath scent. Until the 1st of October, you will get one of those for free if you spend £15 or over, which is a really good deal, because I think these are £8.50 or £9. I know that only refers to my UK viewers, so if you're watching this and you're from the UK, happy days. I believe after that, they may do another offer. Make sure to follow my Instagram @StillInLuck, and also subscribe and turn notifications on for my YouTube, because I also share any offers that Lush have and any other brands as well. So I will see you in the next video. Take care, and extra brownie points for anyone who's tried the rest of the range, or even just smelt it in store, and let me know what you think, or if I would like another one. It's really good to share our experience and also save money, making sure that we're getting the right ones for us or for someone that we're getting it for a gift. I will see you in the next video. I'm going to have a nice bath myself, and I look forward to seeing you in the next upload.